there, beautiful person. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nddy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make studying less boring. I'll be sharing 3 study tips to make studying less boring, easier, and even more fun. The first one is watch videos before reading your textbook. Doing this will increase your understanding and assimilation of a topic just before you read it in your textbook. It is a great way to introduce yourself to a new concept or a topic that is new to you or you have absolutely no idea about. The second one is relate a concept to a personal experience. Learn to relate a topic that you're reading on to a personal, relatable experience or an everyday concept that you are familiar with. This helps me to recall more when I'm writing theory or essay exams than plain out memorizing, and of course is less boring. You can relate important points to parts of a well-known object. Example, assigning names or terminologies to parts of the object. Just make sure that you're doing this in a particular sequence that is easy to recall. The third one is actively engage with your reading material. When reading textbooks or watching videos, you want to actively engage with your reading material by jotting down points, both of which you understand and which you don't, so that you can refer back to another material, probably another textbook or another video that explains that particular concept or point better, so that you can expand your notes and your knowledge. If you do not actively engage with your reading material, you won't be able to recall anything, especially if it's an entirely new topic. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. So comment down below, what are some tips that help you to make your studying less boring? It can help me, it can help any other person who looks in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.